Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for this Kyvol Cordless vacuum cleaner. It came really nicely packaged. Each piece was in its individual box. It has an instruction manual that's in several different languages. It also has step-by-step instructions for how to clean it, put it together, take it apart, how to charge it, and even included pictures, which is super helpful because it does have a lot of different attachments with it. And so far, I love this vacuum. It's so awesome. Not only is it really pretty, I love the bright red color, but it does include a Samsung battery. It has a 35-minute non-stop runtime, which honestly, I think it lasted longer than that. We ran it until it was completely dead. It's ultra quiet. It did a great job picking up all the particles. It's so awesome. And it has several different attachments. You could use it for the carpet, you could use it on hardwood, ceramic floors. Also came with a replacement HEPA filter. And then this other really narrow attachment, which was handy as well. They also give you stuff to mount it with. If you want to mount it to the wall, you can. A very small charging cord, which I can appreciate, and then some little brackets to hold the accessories if you do mount it. And here's what the main piece looks like. Kind of looks like a power tool, very lightweight, very comfortable to hold. So when I first unboxed it, I just took a few minutes to try out all the accessories. They go on very easily, very easy to remove. Just press the button and pull it out. I was so excited for this because I still have like a very older style vacuum that has a bag in it and a cord. It's super heavy, and since we moved, it's not really good on my carpet. It's incredibly hard to push and pull across my carpet, and I dread doing the stairs or anything where I'm gonna have to hold it for a long time. So this made cleaning so easy, very lightweight. My 7-year-old was even able to use it and clean the entire house with it. When you charge it, there's just a small little port on the back. So you don't need to have everything hooked together. You could just charge the handle part of it. And for the first demo, we already had stuff on the floor because we were cooking, but I gave Jackson a Ritz cracker because they crumble so easily. And I was expecting it to maybe kick around some of the pieces when it spun over it. It didn't at all. I was very impressed. It sucked it all up. And it also, as you see, has a light on the front of it, which is very handy as well. And the top piece is see-through, so you know when it's time to clean all the hair out of it. And then the canister, you can see all the crackers in there, is see-through as well, which I love. Next, there was a couple little pieces of paper on my carpet, but for the most part, it was clean because I just vacuumed it about a day and a half before this. So I just went over it back and forth a few times. Wasn't expecting to find that much, but I was thoroughly disgusted. It pulled up so much dust and lint that I was not expecting because, like I said, I had just vacuumed it. So I'll show you that in a moment. But as you see, it glides really nicely across my carpet, unlike my other vacuum. And then I use a smaller attachment to do like the window ledges. There's always little crumbs and particles on there. And perhaps my favorite part is the fact that I can very easily do my stairs now, which have carpet on them. So I did fully let it charge, and then I was able to vacuum my entire house. And you'll know it's done charging because the lights on the back will stop flashing. So very simple to use. And then also, we put up the Christmas tree, and we have a fake Christmas tree. So it sheds pieces everywhere. It sucked all of them up, and I was just so happy with it. And it's very easy to take apart and to clean as well. So here's what it looked like when I just did the small amount in the kitchen with the crackers and the carpet. Tons of dust and crumbs, and my goodness. So if you press the button at the top, that back part pulls off. And then the canister does twist, and you could take out the basket and rinse it and dry it if you want to. And then the bottom part, you just press it and lift the lid up. I always inspect mine before I dump it because my kids have Legos and little itty bitty pieces. But you can also just hold it over the trash can the other way, and it just completely dumps into the trash if you don't even want to touch it or look at it. And then you snap it back together, twist it so it's in the locking position, and put the handle back on it, and you're ready to go. Now for the bristles on the main piece, there's a button on the side. If you press it and lift it up, you can take that piece out and clean out all the hair, because hair wraps around there so easily on any vacuum. But I like that you can completely remove it, and then you just place it back in, line it up, and it drops right down, and then you put the piece back over it, and you're done. So easy. Definitely recommend it. So far, I love it. You can find it on Amazon, and I will put all the information below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.